Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to transform, scale, rotate and flip a video on Filmora. So, after we uploaded a simple video, double click on it. Then, if we move this cursor here, both of them will go together. So click this lock button here, to unlock them and to move only one. Then, you have position option here. Also you have rotating option here. Here you have flipping option here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.